Hi everyone. We came out with a new course that speaks about the basic concepts of Kabbalah, from the creation, why everything was created, how it was created, what we are doing here, what is the freedom of choice, what is the holy language, how can I use it for my benefit, what is a Jew, not who is a Jew, what is a Jew, what's happening with the land of Israel that all the time through centuries there is trouble around the land of Israel, how to relate to it, knowledge that can place into proper perspective many things that we know about life. It would be balancing things. I think that it would be good for you to join into our course on Udemy and to benefit from the teachings that I'm giving there.